In the new Actros, the pressure sensor in the SCR metering device is possibly defective. This is indicated by an error message in the instrument cluster. With star diagnosis, select the fault memory. Then disconnect the diagnosis unit from the vehicle and switch off the ignition. Now you can tilt the driver cab. In our case, a pressure sensor is defective. It's the compressed air pressure sensor. You can now renew this individually without exchanging the whole SCR metering device. The compressed air pressure sensor is the rear one of the three sensors. The AdBlue pressure sensor can now also be renewed individually. However, with a defective AdBlue temperature sensor, you must still exchange the whole unit. First, separate the electric plug in the compressed air pressure sensor. With a spanner, undo the nut of the pressure sensor and remove it. Moisten the threads of the new pressure sensor with silicone lubricant. And then you can screw it on. The nut is tightened with a torque of 30 Newton meters. Then put on the plug again. After the exchange, erase the fault memory in star diagnosis. And with that, the repair is finished.